Okay, top it with a load of gravel here, and should do it. He's off to get some topsoil. 20 bucks a yard. It's a pretty good deal, as long as it's not full of weeds. I think this is it. Only about 5 miles from my place. I think that's the pile right there. He's got a bunch of piles around, but that'll be all right stuff. Might be some weeds, but I'll filter through it. Pretty good load. I'll see if I make it. Well, so far so good. That one tire's a little low with all that weight, but I'm just gonna go about 40 kilometers per hour here or so, and make it home. I broke a spring on my other little trailer, so now I'm a little paranoid about how much a spring can take, leaf springs. But it's about just under 2 yards. It's a little heavy stuff. So let's see how it's gonna go. Well, made it back. I didn't hear anything break. Now I gotta find a place to unload this. It's not a dump trailer, so I gotta unload it by hand. And then I'm gonna be back, grab another load there if things go as planned. Okay, made her back. Tires a little low, gotta air them up before I go in for the second load. But I gotta shovel this off, get my exercise. Hammer time. Pretty good stuff. Nice and black. Getting hot already. Shit. Caught the shovel on my pants. Just shredded my pants. Oh well. Getting a little hot, but we'll get her. Just drink a little more of my creatine water. Well, got her unloaded. It took about half an hour. I thought it would be about an hour. I told them I'd be back within about an hour and a half. I like to under-promise and over-deliver. It says 65 max on the tire. It was at 19 psi. I'll put them to 40. Thanks for the air pump, Brother Tony. Working pretty good, rechargeable. Okay, got load number 2. But rather than unloading it and then loading it into the quad trailer and the wheelbarrow, I'll just load it right from the trailer. No point moving it more than I have to, right? And how do you like these beautiful flowers I planted in the other day? I'm getting in touch with my feminine side. But my main task for the rest of the day, I like to set myself one main task, and then anything else I get done is like gravy, you see. But is to finish the bridge across the dried up creek bed there, out in the bush. But I'll get the quad trailer and the quad, and we'll load her up and head out to the ditch there. There should be plenty to get that done. And I got to fill inside the greenhouse also, backfill, and fill up 6 raised beds yet. But the raised beds I'll screen it so I have less. There's going to be some weeds for sure, but I'll have less. See if I can get across with this load without dumping it. Yeah. Should work. Just got to build up the sides here, and then I'm going to throw a load of gravel on top, finish it off. Okay, top it with a load of gravel here, and should do it. There we go. Nice layer of gravel on top, quite wide enough. Should work well. If it packs down in any certain spot, I'll just top it up again with whatever's needed. But head her back to the cabin, have a drink, relax, and contemplate my next move. Canadian Dreamer, out.